If you like adventure, don't you wait to enter the recruiting office fast. Don't you hesitate, there is no need to wait. They're signing up new seamen fast. Maybe you are too young to join up today, but don't you worry about a thing. For I'm sure there will be always the good Navy protecting the land and sea.
In the Navy,
Yes, you can sail the seven seas.
in the Navy,
Yes, you can put your mind at ease.